Welcome, day number 13. Today we're gonna do some Om chanting together. It's very simple. We inhale, hold the breath for a second, connect with the spaciousness. This is the realm of the divine. And then we exhale with the sound of Om. O-M. Om. Feel the vibration coming up. Om. And then when you acknowledge the vibration in the throat area, around 3/4 of the mantra, then you chant M. And the M is like an N, G, an N, G, G. Om. Om. So it sounds like Om, but at the end it's like Ang. But the G is very soft. You almost can't hear it, okay? And then again, you have the space in between. After the inhalation and after the chanting, keep the space for 1 second and focus, connect with the divine in this very moment. This is where you can enter the present, not the future, not the past. The divine, you, only happens in the present moment. We're gonna do 10 of these breaths, followed by a short meditation. Of course, you can also chant Aum. It's the same benefit. Various traditions, various parts of India chant it differently. That's completely okay. I prefer myself to chant O and M. Okay, find yourself in a comfortable sitting position, close your eyes and focus on the breath. 4 seconds in, 6 seconds out. First, breathe fully into the belly, all the way up into your diaphragm, into the top parts of your lungs. You can feel your collarbone, almost like up to your throat. You can feel the prana flow of air. And then you exhale, you let it go first in the chest, and at the end you suck in the belly a bit, direction to the spine, and then keep on breathing like this for a couple of breaths. Like being part of the ocean, and you're kind of the waves, coming and going. Okay, then we inhale and we start chanting Om for about 10 times. In and follow me along. Last time. Feel the vibration in your body, the opening, and focus on the calmness of your breath. Wonderful. Rub your hands together and place them on your chest over your heart chakra. And breathe into this area. Maybe you feel some warmth or some tingling sensation. Just consciously breathe and opening the heart center. Wonderful. Rub your hands together. Place them over your eyelids and over your forehead. You can massage your eyelids, your forehead, your skull, your face muscles, your neck, your chest, your belly area, your rib cage on the side, the upper back and the lower back, under the armpits, the arms, upper arms, lower arms, the hands, the fingers on both sides. Massage them nicely. Your buttocks, your sitting muscles, your legs, and your feet. A very powerful technique. I recommend to practice this kind of chanting every day. It will purify your mind, your subtle body, your physical body. It has so many health benefits, but it really brings you in touch with your divinity. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow we will have day 14 and we will have half an hour to 1 hour breathwork session. Let's see how long it will take, and we will combine all the techniques we practice during the week. Thanks for tuning in. Namaste.